it's our first entry into advanced optical microscopy, and we're pleased to launch this week our Q-phase system, which is a multimodal holographic microscope. It's a quantitative phase contrast imaging system using the holographic sort of technique. So on the system we have an incoherent white light source which comes through a twin inverted microscope sort of platform. So on the right hand side we have a sample arm, and on the left hand side we have a reference arm. So the sample, we can put live cells in their sort of in their medium that they're happy to sort of live in, and on the reference arm we can have the medium, which will allow us to get an equivalent sort of light path to come through the system and get recombined underneath the microscope with a patented system, which then creates the hologram sort of output, which is then processed to give us our live cell imaging system in real time on the screens. It uses a label-free environment, so the samples, the cells are in their sort of most natural environment. We do have a fluorescence imaging option, and the environmental chamber again is designed to sort of again try and keep the living cells in their most happy environment, that we can do very long-term time-lapse experiments on the cells over a number of days. And that then allows us to look at various aspects of the information that comes off of the quantitative phase contrast imaging. So we're able to image the system, so we can identify the sort of the morphology of the systems, the shell shapes. We can track the movements of the cells, but we can also tell the cellular weight of the cells as well. So we can get a lot of different sort of information that's real time over a long life scan.
And who is most likely to use this technology?
We feel that it could suit a number of sort of live cell sort of imaging facilities. Particularly interested sort of application area at the moment is sort of cancer research, which is going to probably be sort of the first sort of area of interest, but we have areas of interest even just outside of the bio sort of engineering sort of field, but we think anyone interested in sort of cell growth, cell motility would be interested in this technique.
Excellent. Well, thanks very much, Paul. We wish you the very best, and thanks for taking the time.
Thank you very much.